Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bandsaws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WEN BA3959 2.8 amp 9-inch benchtop bandsaw. The WEN BA3959 2.8 amp and 9-inch benchtop bandsaw is a powerful and versatile saw that is perfect for small projects. It features a 2.8 amp motor that rotates the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, allowing you to make cuts up to 2 inches deep and 9 inches wide. It also includes a 1 4-inch wide blade, a 2 on 1 and 2 inch dust port, a rip fence, a miter gauge, an adjustable blade guard with ball bearing supports, and a 2-year warranty. Customers have praised its lightweight design, ease of setup, and ability to make precise cuts. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SKIL 2.8 amp 9N 2-speed benchtop bandsaw. The SKIL 2.8 amp 9 in 2-speed benchtop band. Saw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for woodworking projects. It features a 2.8 amp induction motor, a 2-speed drive system, quick blade tension setting, precision ball bearing and lower blade guides, rack and pinion table adjustment, dust port, miter gauge, steel base, and blade tracking sight window. Customers love its small size, easy setup, and powerful performance. It is a great value for the price and highly recommended. At number 3, we have the DEWALT 20V MAX portable bandsaw. The DEWALT 20V MAX portable bandsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for metalworking projects. It has a 5-inch cutting capacity, integrated hang hook, LED work light, and a brushless motor for performance and durability. It also features a toolless blade changing lever and variable speed for versatility and control. Customers love the ease of use and the ability to cut through metal quickly and accurately. At number 2, we have the VEVOR portable bandsaw. VEVOR bandsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that can cut through a variety of materials with ease. With a cutting capacity of up to 5 inches for round stock and 4.7 x 4.7 inches for rectangular stock, this saw can handle any job. Its 10 amp motor provides controlled power and smooth cutting at speeds of 137.8, 472.4 T and men without producing sparks or burrs. The ergonomic design offers superior balance and comfort during use, with a soft grip back handle and adjustable saw blade guard to prevent jamming and ensure safety. This metal cutting bandsaw is suitable for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, composite cable, angle iron, PVC pipe, and similar materials. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Bandsaw. The DEWALT bandsaw is designed to handle a variety of materials with its impressive 3/8 cut capacity, making it ideal for your cutting needs. The powerful brushless motor delivers 535 MWO at 570 SFPM, ensuring that it can tackle demanding tasks with ease. You'll appreciate the integrated blade guard, which not only protects you from accidental blade contact, but also helps keep the tool clean for enhanced durability. Additionally, the variable speed trigger and dial offer you multiple ways to control the blade speed, allowing you to adapt to different applications effortlessly. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.